Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
To you.
Anak,
Happy birthday.
day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Taran tan tan. Oh, you blow your cake. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bro. Bro, you blow your cake. You blow your cake. Shh. Hoy. Hoy. Happy birthday. Hoy. Blow your cake muna. Blow your cake. Hoy. Hoy. Okay na. Oh, blow kami. Up. Nalipong ata yung kanina. I-up mo dali, up mo. Nak. Look at them, oh. Look at them. Oh, pray mo na. Ay, day to you. Anak, you blow mo na your cake. Uy. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, you will, ano yan? Okay, the other one. Happy birthday to you.
Yay.
Yay! Oh, look.
Okay. Hoodie.
Yeah.
Okay. This one. I got a shirt and a hoodie again. It's a hoodie. Yay!
Sige, next.
Next.
Dami niyan, Dick. Lo,
Mamaya na lang siguro yan.
ang liter na yan.
Mga envelopes.
Ah, naku, sana all. Sige, get na one lahat. Sige, open. Ang tagal naman mag-open, eh.
I'm looking muna, okay?
Huwag na mag-looking, di mo makikita yan pag ano eh.
Jogging pants. kasi
Wow, that's nice.
mga
Look at the
jogging
ano.
pants.
May mga
Look at the, the lettering, anak. Hmm?
game.
Game.
Wow, you have the gray, blue, and...
Black.
Wow! It's nice naman, din. That's so nice, anak, oh. That's from Tita Ani. And Tito Go. Say thank you to Tita Ani, Tito Go. The shorts.
So, di ba naghahanap ka ng silang short? Yeah, that one.
The one you're holding.
That's your short.
Yay! I barely have any shorts now.
Yan, that's nice.
And quickly, so just washing there. Let's get ready to leave.
Wow.
I can use this for
That's your short.
going out.
Oh, yeah, when you're
Paano
swimming.
ko ba dress? And then for swimming.
Yan, may bago ka ng ano for swimming.
Then for swimming.
Oh, yan, mabuti yan, rush guard.
Mm.
Uy, that's nice.
This is it. You can see.
Ano yun, mami? Ah, yun yung parang jacket na ano.
Jacket. Now with
Half ang ano lang.
Like half zip.
Mm-hmm. Good for ano, magbiyahe.
like this new shorts. For, is this
For the swimming din.
Swimming. Yay. Swimming na esconde.
Daddy said what?
Hindi na.
Pang church. Yes, may mga ganyan ka na. Wow, may bago ka na naman. Very good.
There, yes talaga. Then,
Kasi you're big na kasi.
this is a
Yan,
cardigan.
short.
Daddy shorts.
Daddy, sir ba nabili niyo na kami?
Sabi ko, di ba malaki? Sabi niya, mainam yung malaki.
Oh, galing.
Diba parang shorts? Yan, hindi mo yung dapat. Yun ang hindi dumating na in-order ko.
Alin?
Drip na cabbage.
Wow, you have rash guard again.
Brush ko.
Mm.
Katerno ng blue.
Captain Jack din.
Ade, ayun ang isa. Black, ano yan?
Katerno nung kanina na may half zip.
Yung may zipper na jacket. Katerno nung anak kanina.
Daddy pants.
Yeah. Yes. Yan, may bago ka ng t-shirt, ha? Magtanggal lang ako ng mga maliliit mong t-shirt.
Feel. Like, the last ones.
Apollo.
This one, gay.
O, di ba? Puro pang ano?
Puro pang gaming and football.
Ano yung isa?
Puro pang suot sa game.
Yan.
This is
Maganda yan, anak ko. Pang jersey. Pang ano? Practice mo, training. Ayan. Ganda ng ano na diesel, oh.
thereabouts.
Thereabouts talaga si daddy.
No more na picking. No more trial and error with the pants.
That's big pa sa'yo, anak, I think. Maganda yan para...
Marunong na rin siya ng gano'n.
baka nga ka. Mamaya na yan, iba.
What's this one?
Mamaya na yan, sa restaurant na yan.
I guess I need to do this. So,
That's for Mami Yuho and kay Ajem. Wow, may pang... Careful, ha? New ano yan?
where'd it go?
Okay.
New socks para para enough to look for na.
Lagyan mo dito para sa... ano na, atiyam yan. Pang labanan na atiyam. Okay.
Ready?
Yes, you have new jacket.
How does the whole everyone has it school? Don't know why. Yeah.
Everyone has that one?
No, not everyone.
Mostly.
Naka-uniform.
Ayun.
Oy, good morning, my love.
Good morning.
Yay.
It's bro's birthday. You sing happy birthday for bro. Ayaw na. Sing siya na may birthday. Wow.
Oh, nice.
Ano ba yung other one?
Pants. Yeah, that.
Ba, jogging pants naman. Ba, at least pwede ka na mag-jogging pants Monday to Friday.
Katerno.
Terno ng ano pala?
Ano, ang ganda ng ano.
Tela?
Tsaka ng
Tingnan nga.
bulsa, naka-zipper.
Oo nga, nakazipper. Social. Nice! Oh, what will you say?
Thank you, Mami G and Daddy Sal, and si AJ, Mami Lily,
Kita.
and Tita Ann, and Tita Go.
Dito, Bob. Wow. Happy birthday, Kuya. Birthday, Jonas. Ano kaya? Gift.
Gusto ko yung
With teeth. Show Mami Chi your teeth.
Ay,
okay.
Ang galing. Oh, where's your gift, bro? Where's your gift? That's from Mami Chi and Daddy Sel and from the BFF of Mami Chi. From New York with love. Busy na po siyang kumakain.
It's chocolate!
Can
Okay?
I have scissors, please?
Yan, Kuya is getting scissor.
Ano kasi
Basket.
ano pala,
Nana!
hindi makatagal.
Wapak yan!
I see. Para it's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me.
Oh!
That was mine.
Yeah.
Open it someone!
Yeah.
Careful your hand. Okay,
Okay.
Which one?
Wow. Okay.
Which one? Which one first?
Kahit ano. Wow, you have a lot ah.
Be careful, because you might rip the
Okay.
what's inside.
Asa?
Merong pangalan eh.
I'll use the smallest one first.
What is from
It's
Kedrick?
for Diona or Kedrick.
Our dearest Kedrick.
Cedric, love with God.
Tito Gov. Ano?
Ay.
Love.
That's Tito Gov and Tita Annie.
And Tita Annie. Thank
Wow, may pakita, Bi. Baka marami na akong pera.
Puti ko.
Ay.
Video kita.
Wow.
Video kita. Thank you.
Wow. What will you say kay Tita Annie and Tito Gov?
Thank you, Tita Annie and Tita Go.
Tito Gov. Wow. Okay, this one. Okay. Oh, you read this one.
Mama, were you recording po?
Oh.
Why?
It is for
I
Diona
heard
pala.
dalawa po. You can't read it.
Hold.
Oh.
Put it down.
Our dearest.
Our dearest Kedrick.
Dearest Cedric. Happy birthday to the...
I hope you're happy. Maybe to the most.
The most.
The most handsome big boy.
Many more birthdays to come. Many
Blessings.
blessings.
Where are we? Mana sa daddy.
Mana sa
sa
daddy.
daddy.
Ama na sa daddy, hindi many. Love from
Lolo June.
Lolo June and Lola Vicky.
Virgie.
Virgie.
Ay.
Obe?
Ay.
Tingin,
Ay.
okay.
Ay.
Wow!
Hey.
Daming pera ah.
Thank you po.
Uy. Okay na.
It's something small, so it's
So,
a car keys.
close your eyes muna. Okay. Mamaya na yan. Unahin mo. Alin, ibibigay mo yan. Ay, ano ba dapat una ibigay? Oh, wait lang. Nag-close na siya ng eyes eh.
Hindi, sabay mo na.
Ay, sabay nga.
Bro.
Bro.
Wala siya ng pagdita.
This is for mommy and daddy. Yeah. Happy birthday. Oh, you close. Oh, you ano? So, ano yan?
It's a motorcycle helmet.
Yay! Mag-Vespa ka na.
It's a refrigerator.
It's blue.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Ano yan?
What do you think that is? It's for your room. No. Oh, you want that one ba?
No.
Dapat?
PS5.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Here's mommy's gift.
Wait! Ay!
It's a
Why you open this one first?
Okay.
wallet.
Okay, let's break it! I joke. Daddy will regret buying me.
Wow naman.
Yes, of course.
It's a what?
Ikaw, pasapahamak to eh. It's a...
It's a what? It's a what? It's a what?
Who gets Diona?
Hello, where will you put that?
I don't know either.
In the QC house.
Pero itsura niya. Tapos,
It's the back. It's the back part.
what's that?
It's the VIR.
What's that nga?
Open. Grand.
Whoa!
Yay! Thank you, Daddy.
Hello, oy.
Mommy. Mommy too. What mommy?
Thank you, Mommy.
Hello,
Diona
oy.
too.
Hindi yun na to.
Hindi ako kasama dyan.
Kiss di yun na. Lulululu. Den, kiss! Kiss di yun na. Si thank you Diona for your gift. Huh? Oy, ito pala yung gift ni Diona pa. Yun o, yung letter.
Let's see, Dion. Is this mine?
Oo, pa susolvin ka pa ata niya ng math.
I'll do this map muna. I love you. We love you. Happy birthday, Ked. Ked, the broke joke.
Hindi kayo na.
Next one.
Kad lang. Okay, yung
Daming
scissors.
parts niya na.
Yung scissors.
Hey, scissors.
Mary Ho.
Ay, ito pa. Ay, sagutan mo to. Bakit may ano to? 4 plus 4 equals 8.
Ay, nasolve lang pala to.
Kasi nga, mahuhuli niya kaya ginawa niya yan.
Ah.
Gawa siya sa kanya.
Oh, your kamay.
O, the letter also mismo. O, sige.
Hindi na. Oh, ginawa ng sister mo yan. Oh, sige nga.
Sige nga. We love you.
We love me?
We love you, Ked. Ah, bakit Kid? Bakit may K-E-E-D?
Okay na yan.
Ayun na. And then there's Daddy,
Ito yung
Fiona, Mommy, and
Ked.
you.
We love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Fiona.
Wow.
Oh, naman. Oh, kiss, kiss.
Throw this. Yo.
Wait, hindi yun na
はい、今晩は皆さん、はい、お待たせいたしました。で、パキラのチェックジャパニーズの。はい、まず、自己紹介をさせてください。ところで、私はですね。おー、ベンベンベン。はい、here we go in 1, 2, here we go.
Leona. Leona. Tulala.
Happy birthday. Alright, one more practice. Ready in 1, 2, 3, up. Hey, alright. Ready in 1, 2, 3, up. Hey! Oh, it's alright, ready in 1, 2, 3, up. Hey! Oh my god, it's a boy. Alright, let's go.
Oh, you like your steak?
You guys send it to Ariana.
Yeah, I'll send it to Ayan. Hi guys. So ayun, ngayon, Saturday, to celebrate si Kuya ng birthday niya with friends naman. So ayun, ang laki pala nung cake niya. Oh my gosh, I didn't know. Parang 12 by 16 yung size ng cake ng Casa Elmira. In order niya is yung vanilla mallows. So ito na, nakuha na. And then si Daddy ang kukuha ng lechon. So let's go home. Oh, naano mo na ba? Yes naman. Talagang tahimik niya na. Ang cute naman din talaga. Kailan laki. Oh yes, ayan na naman yung Airbnb.
Hindi pwede kainin tong cake na to. Parang hindi pwede. Parang mamaya na to. Mamaya na yung cake. Parang ilalas na lang natin yung cake.
Hindi pa pwede. Kasi saan nagagaling yung hangin eh.
Hindi, dito ka.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wait.
Nakablo na ako.
Happy birthday! Yay! Galing! Ang galing! Very good! Mermaid talaga. Oh.
Say wait, no. I think you. You look so. You look like you're angry, but I'm not angry. Do this again. Do it. No, I got it from the back. Oh. Ah! Inumin na to. Busog ka na din sa to, okay?
Yana.
Face a girl. You're lesbian. Sige na, nabusog na ako. Cedric said. Guys, later